supportive. Balasana Child's Pose. Namaste. Welcome to your practice. This is a restorative one for you today. You're going to want 2 blocks. We will be focusing on the shoulders, neck, back, and spine. Locate your blocks and bring the first block to the lowest setting, horizontal to your body. And we're going to bring this to the rib cage. So the thoracic spine is supported, especially the part that supports the rib cage. Allow the muscles to soften and the bones to grow heavy. Nowhere to go, nowhere to be. You're right where you're supposed to be at this very moment in time. All moments have brought you to this moment. All knowing, you may not even know what the future will unfold for you. In this moment, all that matters is the support of the block, allowing you to breathe. From here, bring the block that is underneath the head to the next highest setting. So the skull is supported and the cervical spine, the very top, is steady and it's easy to breathe. From here, option to stay or move deeper into your back bend by now bringing the block that is supporting your ribs to the second highest setting. So both blocks are on the medium setting. Nowhere to go, nowhere to be. You're right where you need to be in this moment of time. Breathing this air, feeling this way. Having the desire to do the thing. All that matters right now is the support of the blocks, allowing you to breathe. Equal parts out breath, equal part in breath. From here, I'm going to adjust the block underneath the rib cage so it's on the second highest setting, but now the length of the block is in alignment with the length of your spine, forming a linear support to your thoracic spine. Nowhere to go, nowhere to be. You are right where you are supposed to be in this moment of time. Begin to bring awareness back to your body breathing. We'll move to adjust the block underneath your head to the highest setting. It's just always a suggestion. Find what feels good and right in your body today. The space in between the breath, the time in between awareness, the decision to stay supported by your breath, the blocks, and the atmosphere which you created with your breath and perception of this moment. Nowhere to go, nowhere to be. You are right where you need to be at this moment in time. Slowly begin to call awareness back to your body, spine, breath. On an inhale, both hands reach and extend over the body, reading through the heels. Mindfully, with care, begin to gently roll to one side, coming to rest in the fetal position, recalibrating the spine. From here, we're moving into Supta Baddha Konasana, reclined cobbler's pose. By rolling back onto the back, soles of the feet come to meet, knees are wide, Supta Baddha Konasana is an excellent posture to neutralize the hips and the lower back. Bring one hand to the belly, one hand to the heart. Just observe how you're effortlessly supported by Mother Earth. You don't have to do a thing. Begin to bring the hands to the back of the neck. Massage your neck. Rooting through the shoulders, knees draw together to meet. Knees draw to heart center. Begin to pulse the knees from left to right, massaging the organs, the lower belly, the obliques. Arms extend to a T shape, rooted through the shoulders. Next time the knees are on the left side, drop them. Inhale to the right. Rest. Inhale, center. Roll onto your left side. Rest here. I invite you to make a gratitude list now of 3 things you have to be grateful for in this moment of time. So it is impossible to be in a state of gratitude and suffering at the same time. Keeping the eyes closed, press up to seated with the hands at heart center. Acknowledge your efforts today. The light in me honors and sees the light in you where the entire universe dwells. Namaste. Hari Om. Thank you for joining me today. If you found value, click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.